My name is Abhishek Kataria and I am the project manager of this company. And as a project manager, my responsibility for the project planning, project scheduling and project monitoring, and to take care of the all stakeholders who are working here. And I have to take care of the budget controlling, and in the end of the project I have to take care that project should be delivered within the budget.
It's a modern luxury villa concept located in Pal Jumeirah, offering a stunning view of Burj Khalifa. Imported European furniture enhancing the villa's luxury appeal. Double height entrance door making a grand first impression. Sauna for relaxation, fully equipped gym for your fitness needs, swimming pool with a spectacular water feature, BBQ areas on both the ground floor and the rooftop for the entertaining. Elevator for easy access to all levels. Complete home automation system that can be controlled from anywhere in the world.
We have already finished the construction stage. Now we are moving towards the finishing works. As you can see that we are starting lift cladding marbles. Then staircase marble is already completed, and if you will come up, then you can see we started cladding of the walls. We have started the door installation. You can see that the finishing work is already started. We are doing that with proper protection and everything. Okay, so we are finishing. We have the sequence of activities, finishing activities. So we are moving towards sequence wise. Our next procedure is that we will start wooden flooring as soon as possible. And as you can see that the tiling work in the washroom area is already done, and we are finalizing with testing. The sanitary fixture work is going on. If we will show here, that is ongoing activity. We will finish it. And if you will see on the ceiling, lighting work is already done with the provision of everything. Automation is there, speaker work is done, fire work is already done. So window is done, external balcony tiling is done, glass work is done, railing glass, and this is ongoing things. So we are moving simultaneously. The all activities are going on sequence wise. Okay, so this is our master bedroom one. You can see that our all windows has been installed, glass railing is done, provision of all lighting, AC work is done with protection, fire work is done, automation is done. Here the work will start very soon, and the tiling work is already done here. The tiling is done as per this design, and the sanitary work is going on. So we are doing finishing work. As you can see that we are done with the VRF system. All units has been installed. So we are end up with the high system also. So everything is done, ready for the commissioning. So anytime we can start. After the dusting work will finish, we can start our AC work. So internal work has been already done. High side is already done. So this is also completed. So this is our roof area. This is water body. And you can see that tiling work, finishing work is going on, and everywhere is finishing work is going on. We are done with construction, only finishing work is going on. As you can see that our finishing work is going on, and we are going to deliver this project very soon, and hopefully we will deliver it within the 8 weeks. We have the 8 weeks time. So as you can see that ongoing finishing activities is happening at the site, and we are monitoring, we are scheduling everything is going to as per our plan. So definitely it will be on time. This project will be delivered on time within the budget. Thank you.